What's up, everybody? Welcome to this week's Option Pro upcoming weekly webinar where we'll be going over earnings for this week. This week is a huge week for earnings, guys. But before we get started here, please pause your screen and read this disclaimer. All righty, welcome back. All right, earnings. What do we have here? All right, earnings for this week. It's a big week, guys. It's a big week for earnings. It's a big week for economic data. It's FOMCA week, so expect the unexpected. All right, so what we've been waiting for. Monday, hopefully it's after the close. On Friday, we heard it's going to be pre-market on Monday, but it'll supposed to be Monday after the close. Tesla, all right? You know my stupid ass will have some kind of stupid play on this because that's my drug of choice. Alrighty. Tuesday, UPS, GE, LILY. That's it for before the open. After the close, AMD, Microsoft, Pinterest, Alphabet, Visa, all big ones, guys, all big ones. FireEye. Wednesday, Boeing, Shopify, Spotify. After the close, Apple, Facebook, Qualcomm, Teladoc, ServiceNow, eBay, MGM. It's just a nonstop week, everybody. Thursday, I don't trade this one, but Caterpillar, McDonald's, Overstock. And then after the close, Amazon, Neo, Twitter. And that's it. Like we needed any more than that. Alrighty. Now as for economic data. Alrighty. I'm just gonna go towards the main one right here. All right, guys. So as we know, Wednesday we expect chop. Up until this 2 p.m. comes around where we're gonna see a quick play, and then 2:30 while Powell speaks. All right, what else we have here? What I'm looking for, durable goods, that's one. Consumer confidence, that's another one. That will affect the markets. Where are you? This one right here, personal income, guys. That's one that I will be watching for on Friday morning. All righty. Let's get to the charts of who's reporting this week. That's what I'm going to be focused on right now is the companies that report this week. All righty, let's start off with, well, let me do Shopify first here, guys. All right. Shopify here, guys. I'll break over this. Now, these levels, guys, will not be as important as the sentiment of each earnings day. Now, Monday after close, if Tesla reports great numbers, great guidance, and everything matches up, we will break through that 420 and shoot up towards 422.50 and 425 area. If they report bad, I'll break under this 410 then, guys. We're going down towards 407, 405, and 400. All right? Let's just get started here. I'm going to go over the fundamentals. Tesla, on Monday, before they report. How are we going to trade this now? All right? What I'm looking to do here, all right, is catch a break over this 740 for a quick trade up towards 750, 755 area. I'm not going to be holding until 760. But a break over 760, guys, our levels are 780, 800, 810. I'm just going to say 820. And she'll fly through it, I think, up towards this 840 area. That is for Monday. For Tuesday, I'll handle this in the pre-market. On the downside for Monday, if the sentiment is bad, a break on this 720 now, we trade this back down towards 710. That's going to be a quick trade. Down towards 700 and 695 area is a quick trade. the big trade, a break on the 690 down towards 680, 660 level. If that breaks, it's going to be 640 and then 620. All right, guys. Well, when we trade her, we could trade her 3-4 strikes out. I suggest trading her at the money, but we can do 3 or 4 strikes out. Now, I don't suggest one day at the open, if she's breaking 750, choosing a strike of 900. But to each their own. The smart trade here would be a strike of 760, 750, around there. Alrighty, what's next? UPS. UPS is Tuesday before the open. Alrighty. We are at highs here. I don't trade this one too much. We move this, take this from all the way down here and just put this all the way up here. All right, this 181 area. Alrighty, so for tomorrow, I'll break over this 181. She's moving in tight range, 77, $4 jump she's doing each day. So I'll break over this 181, trade this up towards 184, 185 area. If the 185 breaks, it's going up towards 187, 188.50, and 190. On the downside, I'm not trading inside of here. I'll break under this 174, trade it back down towards this 170 area. All right, what else do we have? Let's just take a look at GE. Small account alert here, guys. Small account alert here. Small account alert here. A break over 1380 is the aggressive trade. You will be grabbing a strike of either 1350 in the money or at the money of the 14 strike. Break over 1380, you're trading this up towards 14, 1420, and 1440. On the downside, avoid it. What else do we have here? AMD after the close on Tuesday. I'll break over this 84.50 area, guys. Trades up towards 86, 87.50, and 89 area. If this 90 breaks, then trade up towards 92 and 94. Now she could run. She's done it before. She could run before she reports, and after she reports, she just keep on running. All right. Here, after she reports, she could run. Before she reports, she could have a big play. Here's a $10 drop before she reported about a week. All right, so what I'm looking for here is a break over, again, a break over 84.50. Trading this up towards 86, 87.50, 89. On the downside, break under 80, not a heavy size, down towards 78. All right, that's for Monday and Tuesday before she reports. After she reports, I will handle this in the pre-market. Next one we have here is Microsoft. At highs now. She reported that big government deal they made. So I'll break over that 262.50, trade up towards 265, and then 270. On the downside, a break on the 255, traded down towards 250, 250, and 250. Staying at the money with her. You need to trade AMD, Microsoft, and Pinterest as well at the money. Pinterest reports Tuesday after the close. I'm looking here. She's going to run, I think, this week. So a break over 76, up towards 77, 78, and 80. If that 80 breaks, it's going to be 82 and 84. On the downside, I'm not looking to trade it unless after she reports. The next one for Tuesday, crazy one, which could give us crazy numbers here. Last time she reported, she ran up 1850. Wow, $250. Is that $250? Yes, $250. So she's a one to watch. How do we want to trade this? All right, she's at highs. She closed at highs. She broke that key level of 2,300 and just closed right under it on Friday. All right, so a break over the pre-market high, which I'm not sure what's going to be yet, but a break over that high, guys. Trade this up every $20 up until $23.50. I'll break over $23.50. Trade this up every $25. All right. On the downside, a break under $22.70. Trade it down towards $22.30 area, and then $22.00. If that breaks, it's going all the way down towards this $21.50. And trading here, we could do 5 strikes out, 6 strikes out, guys. It still pays good, but you have to get filled in the middle and not at the ask. Now let's keep going here. Wednesday before the open, the Boeing. I'll break over this 241 area, guys. Trades back up towards 245, 250, and 255 before she reports. On the downside, I'll break on 230, trade down every $5. I'm not going to trade this because I hate trading Boeing. Next one I'm liking before the open on Wednesday, Shopify. All right. Now they fired their executives, a majority of their executives left the company last week, I think it was. So I'll break over under this 1075, trade it down towards 1050, 1025, 1000. If this 1000 breaks, same thing, 975 and 950 area. Upside, a break over this 1125, trade up towards 1150, 1160 area, 1175, and 1200. If this 1200 breaks, we're going up towards 1250. All righty, what's next on earnings? Apple, a break now before close on Wednesday. I'm talking about a break over this 136. It could be tomorrow, it could be Tuesday, it could be Wednesday. A break over this 136, trades up towards 138. 140, 142. Now, she could close at all-time highs before she do reports, guys. So you have to trade this at the money and know your stop loss. Don't chase it if it's too far away from the 9 EMA. Pay for it to pull back towards the 9 EMA. All right. On the downside, a break on the 132 is the aggressive trade down towards 130. Safer trade is a break on the 132, trade down towards 128, 126 area, and then stay out of it for now. Facebook, a break over this 305 area, trading at the money. Trade up towards 310, 312.50, and 315. If that 316 breaks, it's going up towards 320 and 325 area. On the downside, a break under 295, traded down towards 290 and 285. Qualcomm. We have a little bit of a trend line, it looks like right here. I'll break over this 136 is the aggressive up towards 138. 140 and 142. If that 142 breaks, same thing, guys, every $2 up. On the downside, a break on the 130, traded down towards 126. Not a fan of that myself. CDOC, poor Kathy Woods. Well, not poor Kathy Woods, but she's been in for a while. I'll break over this 200, trade up towards 210, 220, and 230. I'll break on this 170, guys, trade down towards 150. All right. That's all I'm going to cover for Wednesday. Now let's go into Thursday before open. McDonald's. I haven't traded this one in a long time. I don't like the way the premiums react on this. A break over 236, trades up towards 240, trading up every $2. On the downside, a break under 230, traded down towards 226 and 222 area. Not a fan of trading them. OSTK. See what she's looking at. I don't like her volume. I'm not a big fan of trading this. If something happens on this, I will talk about it on that day. Next one, NEO. Now, if Tesla reports great numbers, we can expect a rise up on her quickly, up towards that 60 level, right? But before she reports, what I'm watching for tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday, a break over this 42 for a trade up towards 44, 46, and 48. She trades in every $2 jumps. All right. On the downside, I'm not interested until the break of 30. Well, 32 for a trade down towards 30 and 28. Inside of here, I'm not looking to trade it. Also, before the open on Thursday, Amazon. We have been waiting for months for their split. It hasn't happened. This might be the time for their split here. We talked about these pebbles here, guys. That break of that 200. I told you guys about. I said she's going to break this. She's going to fly. What happened? She flew up $200. Next setup here. Before Thursday's close. A break over this 3380 is the aggressive trade up towards 3400. Safer trade. A break over 3400, trade up towards 3450, 3478, and I'm just going to say 3500 level. If that's the 3500 break, guys, she will run up easily, $50 easily. On the downside, a break under 3300, trade down towards 3250 again, 3230, and 3200. All righty, that's it for earnings this week, guys. Please do not play calls and puts on earnings. Do not do that to yourself. All right, guys, nice and slow, nice and steady. Let's all stay green together, guys. Stay green, everybody.